Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to cancel Jaja Credit Card. To cancel your Jaja Credit Card, let me first tell you that you will not be able to do so with their application or website. In order to cancel your credit card, you will need to contact the customer service. So let me show you how you can do that. First of all, open a web browser of your choice. After you do that, go to the URL box at the top and type in jaja.co.uk and search. You will find yourself in the official website for Jaja. Before proceeding and cancelling your credit card, make sure that you have paid off any outstanding balance on your card. After you are sure of it, go ahead and click on the Help button at the top of the screen from the main official page. Once you open up the Help option, click on Close Your Account option. You can now go ahead and enter your details. Enter your first name, last name, date of birth, your preferred contact number, secondary phone number or mobile number if available, and then your email address. Make sure to fill in the information correct. After filling in all of the details, go to the Your Credit Cards option and enter your credit card number. You'll just need to enter the last 6 digits of your 16-digit card number of the account you'd like to close. Go ahead and enter your credential and then enter your home address in the text boxes provided right underneath. Select a region where you are trying to close your account and click on the little box at the bottom and click on Close My Account in order to cancel your credit card or close your credit card account. After you do that, you will need to go ahead and verify your identity. Simply follow through the instructions and you will be able to cancel your Jaja credit card. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.